That looks really cool. It's really well done. Too much about them, but I want to find out more. Cassis are the South of France distributor for the HY kit, what I believe it's called. So what it is, you take a modern Citroen van, and then you put these. So this is all sort of fiberglass, and you probably can't see it, but underneath, no, you can't see it. Underneath is a modern van, and I think that looks really cool. It's really well done. It's really well fitted. If you look inside, as you can see, it's a modern van. And if you want to stand out from the crowd, that's what you want. Obviously, it's a modern take on the Citroen H van. You know, they even do a retro pickup flatbed truck. You know, this is the white van next door is a similar sort of van. I think the kit actually is called Type H, and it's actually approved by Citroen. And what would you rather have, the Renault next door or this Type H? I think it looks really cool and retro. But there may be more on that in the future.